Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name, as introduced, is Griffiths, and I am also running for the president of the ISSS. Although I believe that I would be an excellent candidate for the position, I'm going to take the next 3 minutes and try and convince all of you that I would be an excellent candidate for the position. However, before I delve into my platform, I would like to kind of just tell you a bit about me. I'm originally from Calgary. I was born and raised there. I lived there for 18 years. Came to the U of A to study science. I love science. And at the U of A, my first 2 years, I spent in the Lister Center. And this is kind of important to me because there's actually a large host of second years that help out the first years. Whenever you have a question, they're always there to guide you and they may make fun of you or tease you about it, but they're always there when you need them. And I think that everyone needs kind of that over-guiding experience when they first join. That's what I really believe is one of the key things that ICE can provide to new students. I believe that the ICE can really kind of help foster first-year students and bring them into the science community as a whole and make it more than just somewhere you go to school. Make it somewhere you actually go because everyone there is there to support you. I also have somewhat of a varied volunteer experience on campus. I have volunteered with the Faculty of Science as a science mentor, volunteered with the ICE as a mini-study group mentor, and I'm now the director of mini-study groups externally. I have also volunteered with various events through Campus Rec. So I've done a couple of things here and there, and I'm trying to kind of bring a very varied experience to this position with multiple outlooks. As far as my platform is concerned, I based it a lot off of what I've seen and observed in the ICE, as well as I based it off of kind of talking with my non-ICE friends, how they view things and how they see us, because it's obviously a very different perspective. And I've tried to kind of base my campaign off of that. My first platform point would be to rework the FAM. Although the recent referendum was unsuccessful, I believe that because the numbers were so very close, that there is definitely support for this, and that as time grows and the ICE establishes, the support may grow. The other part of my reworking the FAM I would like to do would be to talk to the major opposition of the FAM. One of the ways I would do this would be talking to COSA groups and seeing what they have to say. The other thing is to implement it as a complex proposal that changes from year to year. For example, adding technology would be more of an initial implementation. My other two platform points would be to build upon our current programs and make them even better than they currently are, as well as improve communications to students. And one of these ways would be with an